You're watching Duct Tape and Popsicle Sticks with Mike and Maria Keiser. Because sometimes you feel like your business is being held together by duct tape and popsicle sticks. On this show, you're not going to hear the latest business fad. You're going to get useful information that you can apply to your own business right now.
Hello and thanks for watching another deeply disturbing episode of Duct Tape and Popsicle Sticks. I'm Mike Keiser along with international jousting champion Maria Keiser. It's been a little while since we've talked about all of your amazing accomplishments.
I know. Well, COVID, kind of put a little bit of a restriction on that.
Right, yeah. It's not conducive to jousting, for example. Hey everybody, good to see you. Thanks a million for tagging along. As usual, everything you need to know is in the show notes below, how to get to our website, our other videos, our old podcast, all that good stuff. You can find that in the notes. But in the meantime, we are here to talk with you this week about a very exciting topic, search engine optimization. Because I'm sure you spend a ton of your time as a business owner thinking about SEO. But seriously, it is quite important to your business. And we're here just for, we could talk for 2 hours about SEO, but we only have a few minutes to share. But as I said, it's probably not a topic that you spend a lot of time thinking about. However, it can be a game changer when it comes to being found on the internet. So,
well, I think it's maybe not necessarily something somebody spends a lot of time thinking about. I think it's often just misunderstood. Well, what is that? Why do I need it? There's a lot of companies that offer it.
Yeah, so talk a little about what it is.
Sure. So what it is essentially helping your website be found organically, as opposed to buying AdWords and things like that. It's a service that helps you identify what are the words people are finding you on, what kind of language do you need on your website, what are people looking for, and why are they coming to your site, and maybe why are they not coming to your site. So it's not necessarily a sales generator, because it certainly doesn't close any sales for you, unless of course you sell a widget that somebody could buy right there. But what it will do is it helps people find you on the internet. It helps you understand how they're finding you and what words they're finding you as, and it also gives you opportunity to be found quicker than maybe someone else.
Exactly right. You summed it up perfectly. It's using keywords, it's using analytics to help you rank higher on Google and send more traffic to your website. You're right. It isn't a sales tool per se.
Right.
What happens when they get to your website is up to you.
Right.
But what it does help you do is engage with your audience more. It helps you measure very, very distinctly how you're ranking in various words and why.
Yeah.
Where you're going up, where you're going down, the most places people are finding you, as Maria said, where they're not finding you. So it really is a wonderful tool, just a system of keywords and analytics to boost your Google standing. But that's huge because it's a very competitive world out there.
It sure is. So it helps you get found, so people can be more apt to reach out to you as opposed to your competition.
Yeah, and sometimes when people first hear about it or they're talking to someone about it, it can seem pricey. It can be like, whoa, what am I paying for?
Yeah.
But for what it does for you, there's no other tool for that price that's going to help you rank that much higher on Google.
If you think about it, if you use the AdWords route, right, you're always buying that ad space, and that gets competitive, and you end up paying more, and if you don't know how to do it, that can get very pricey. This is one of those systems where it increases you organically, so you're not always having to buy more to stay where you are. You have to earn it, but the nice thing about earning it is it helps you stay in that spot a little bit better than if you were buying it.
So if you don't currently have a formal SEO program in place, talk to your marketing person. We know a really good agency that can handle that for you. But if you're looking to boost your Google rankings, strongly consider SEO. I think that's all I got. Do you have anything else you want to add to that today?
It.
All right, well, everybody, that's all we have for today. But take it to heart. It can be one of the best things you could do for your website. Otherwise, in the meantime, we appreciate you tagging along. You've been watching Duct Tape and Popsicle Sticks, where we make your business better just a few minutes at a time.
Ciao for now.
You're watching Duct Tape and Popsicle Sticks with Mike and Maria Keiser.